How to set up Gold IRA with top Gold IRA companies in 2025. Establishing a Gold Individual Retirement Account (IRA) in 2025 necessitates a meticulous approach, ensuring both compliance with regulatory frameworks and alignment with one's financial aspirations. A Gold IRA permits the inclusion of physical gold and other precious metals within a tax-advantaged retirement portfolio, offering a hedge against economic volatility and inflation. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. Step 1. Select a reputable custodian. The initial step involves choosing a custodian authorized by the Internal Revenue Service (IRS) to manage self-directed IRAs. Custodians are responsible for the administrative functions of the account, including documentation, reporting, and ensuring adherence to IRS regulations. Step 2. Fund your Gold IRA. Once a custodian is selected, the next phase entails funding the account. This can be accomplished through direct contributions, subject to annual IRS contribution limits. Rollover, transferring assets from an existing retirement account, such as a 401k or traditional IRA, into the Gold IRA. Transfer, a direct transfer between financial institutions, which typically avoids tax implications. It's imperative to consult with financial advisors to comprehend the tax ramifications and ensure compliance during the funding process. Step 3. Select approved precious metals. The IRS mandates specific purity standards for precious metals held within an IRA. Gold must possess a fineness of 0.995 or higher. Silver requires a minimum fineness of 0.999. Platinum and palladium each must have a fineness of 0.9995 or greater. Acceptable forms include bullion bars and specific coins, such as the American Gold Eagle or Canadian Gold Maple Leaf. It's crucial to verify that the selected metals meet IRS criteria to maintain the tax-advantaged status of the account. Step 4. Secure approved storage. Physical possession of precious metals in a Gold IRA by the investor is prohibited. The assets must be stored in a depository that meets IRS standards for security and reporting. Custodians typically have established relationships with approved depositories and can facilitate the storage arrangement. Step 5. Monitor and manage your investment. Regular oversight of the Gold IRA is essential. This includes performance evaluation, assessing the appreciation or depreciation of the precious metals. Regulatory compliance, ensuring adherence to IRS rules regarding distributions, especially upon reaching the age of 72, when required minimum distributions, RMDs, commence. Portfolio diversification, considering the inclusion of other asset classes to balance risk and potential returns. In conclusion, establishing a Gold IRA in 2025 involves a series of deliberate steps: selecting a reputable custodian, funding the account appropriately, choosing IRS-approved precious metals, securing compliant storage, and ongoing management of the investment. Engaging with financial professionals throughout this process can provide invaluable guidance, ensuring that the Gold IRA aligns with long-term retirement objectives and adheres to all regulatory requirements. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.